Hello, tonight our video is on circumference. Circumference is the perimeter of a circle, so it's the distance around the outside edge. In order to find circumference, we use the formula C equals pi times diameter, right there. And some books have the formula written this way, C equals 2 times pi times r. But if you think about it, if you multiply 2 times r, which is radius, that's the same as diameter. So a more concise formula is this one, pi times diameter. All right, so let's calculate circumference of this circle. And let's start with the formula. C equals pi times diameter. And of course, we'll use our approximation of pi as 3.14. Okay, so let's substitute. C is equal to 3.14 times the diameter, which is 7 inches. So multiply 3.14 times 7, and we get C equals 21.98 inches. All right, let's try this one. Start with your formula. C equals pi times diameter. What's the diameter of this circle? 9? No. It's 18. Radius is only halfway across. So C equals pi times 18 meters. And of course, pi again, we're using 3.14. All right, so multiply 3.14 times 18, and we get 56.52 meters. Okay, not too difficult. All right, you try this one, pause your video, then restart to check your answer. Welcome back from pausing the video. C is equal to pi times diameter. Pi is 3.14. The diameter of our circle is 24 centimeters. 3.14 times 24 equals 75.36 centimeters. Okay? And notice that the units are just regular centimeters or regular inches because circumference is a one-dimensional measurement. Okay, actually, you can think about it, a one-dimensional measurement is something that's linear. Okay, so if I measure the length of a wall, that's a linear measurement. Well, if I took my circumference, my circle, if I was able to, let's say, cut this, let's say it was a string, right, and I was able to cut it, and I laid it out flat, I would have a straight line. So our units are always going to be to the first power because they're linear, as opposed to area that we saw was to the second power because area is in squared units. Anyway, okay, let's move on. Okay, so here we're given the circumference and we're asked to find the diameter. Okay, so I want you to start with the formula, substitute what we know, and then solve for D. Pause your video, then restart to check your answer. Welcome back from pausing the video. So if I go C equals pi times D, diameter, this time I'm trying to solve for D. I don't know what the diameter is, but I do know circumference is 10 meters, so I'm going to substitute 10 meters in place of C. And since I'm solving for D, I'm going to divide both sides of my equation by pi. Okay, so D is going to equal 10 meters divided by pi. Again, pi is approximately 3.14. So take the number 10 and divide by 3.14. Okay, and we're going to get an approximate answer for our diameter. Our diameter is approximately equal to 3.18. So I went to the nearest hundredth, but my answer actually kept going and going. Okay, it had a lot more digits than that, so I just rounded to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so did that match what you had? All right, well, thank you for listening tonight. Remember to read some books.